Is your Toyota RAV4 key fob from 2006 to 2012 models not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. First, confirm the issue isn't just a weak signal area. If the LED doesn't flash when you press a button or the car doesn't respond, it's time for a battery change. To open the fob, locate the seam around the edge. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and gently twist. Work your way around the fob to separate the two halves. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. If you encounter resistance, double-check that you've located the correct seam. For fobs exposed to moisture, carefully inspect for corrosion after opening. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with positive side up before removing the old battery. Use tweezers if needed to avoid touching the battery with your fingers. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together firmly until you hear a click. Test the fob to see if the LED flashes and if it can control the car locks. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery contacts are clean. For water-damaged fobs, use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean any corrosion on the circuit board. If the fob case is damaged, replacement cases are available online. If problems persist, a faulty receiver module, diagnosed via an OBD2 scanner, may be the cause, warranting professional repair.